Now, no, you are scanning too much. Close the page again. Now, on this page, you click new. Then you scan. Now you type the full name of the product. No, you are not scanning 2 times. You scan it once. You click new, you scan. Then you now type the name of the product, full name of the product, the sizes of, no, capital letter, everything. The sizes, everything will be there. The way you want the product, stop going to the top. If you remove a code from the up, it will no longer scan. So scan again. Aha. Now you scan, it take you to the down. Now begin to type the name, everything in capital letter.
Okay, we have been putting the names.
You must put the liter.
Okay.
The reason why it's good to put the liter so that you know the size. Because this product you may have different one. Everything that combined to the name, the size and everything will be there.
Okay. Okay.
Enter.
We have inputted the liter.
Enter. Enter.
So we press enter even to the next one.
Yes. Continue pressing the enter. Press again.
Okay.
All these ones are not mandatory. Press again. Now it's a stock item. Yes, it's a stock item. Yeah. Press again.
Enter again.
Yes. Now, I want to explain about the stock item before we pass this one. The stock item means an item that is countable. An item you need to track a countable item, meaning an item you need to track the quantity. An item you want to know how many you enter the quantity you bring in, and when you are selling, the quantity will be minusing from the quantity you are having. They are stock item. An item that you have to get in the quantity. You want the system to track the quantity you bring in and the quantity you sold out. You want the system to track it. They are stock item. Service item are the services you give, services you render, you understand, that are not stock. But the name you are just like in the pharmacy, let's say you are giving injection. Do you understand? So, and you want to be able to know, create the service name, injection, and you want to be able to create it so that you can now be able to use it to attend to. When you give injection, you charge a fee for giving that injection. Then it's service item. For example, when you when like a dressing of wound and so on, when you do that, there is a charges. You can create it and put the amount you are charging on it. When somebody comes, the person selling will be able to use that name to attend to print a receipt for that person. That is a service item. You understand now? So a service item.
Doesn't have a barcode. How can we decide?
No, I will teach you about the service side, the code, and the one that does not have code. The first one I taught you now is an item that have code. The item that does not have code, you don't need this. You can use you can copy from here to here to use it and do the code. You understand? But I'm coming to that. We're going to do that one later. So let's finish the this particular one now. Okay, service item. So when you change it to service item, it means that the product does not have quantity. We are not tracking the quantity, but we are creating a name to be. Let's just say this is a giveaway item. We are not tracking the quantity. We don't want to. So you can use the service item to create it. and you can be giving and giving again. The only thing that the system is going to recognize how many times you sold that particular item and the amount you made. But the system is not tracking its quantity, how many that came in and how many that is going out when it's service item. But once it's a stock item, the system will track its quantity. Now, when it becomes a package item, I will not want to confuse you now, so I'm going to stop on service item and the stock item for now. Do you understand? So actually, we can actually use the package item and the kit item to sell products that are packets. Let's say carton of this particular water, and we want the system to recognize them. But that one will require configuration, but I don't want to teach you now because you'll become confused. So this one that we see, meaning the item is 1-1. The system is going to be seeing this product as 1-1, not the packet, because the barcode you scan here is the barcode of the pieces, not the barcode of the carton. Do you understand now? So it means that this product is stand alone. It is one. You get it now? So now, having come here, then now it's a stock item. Now, you see why I said you will first create all the group before you start. Because now you need to select water as a group. But the water now, when I type W here, nothing will come out because we have not created water as a group.
Yes, sir.
So now it will not mean that you are going to go and open the other page first to create water group before you can come to complete this. So that is why it's advisable you will finish creating all your group to commence. So now I'm going to use group 05 to do it. So later you can go and rename the group 05 and call it water group. Oh, so now I put there. So now you click enter. I am the one clicking enter. Now it is now in retail price. This is where you set up the price you are selling 1 of it. So now, how much you sell this water? It's changeable. You can change the price anytime from this page. How much do you sell one?
200.
You write it 200. Right. It's okay. Enter. Now you have set up the price of one of it, meaning your retail price is 200. Do you understand? If you have the cost price, you can as well enter the cost price here. But if you don't have the cost price, you leave it like this. During the time you are purchasing, you will now purchase and enter the real cost price. Now I mean here, not that place. The cost price is here.
Yes.
Now, this page, I will teach you the functions of all this page, because in the pharmacy session is highly needed. But this particular one we already done. This is the major thing to do. Then you will just save. We actually done. But I want us to create about 2 different items or 3 different items before I will now begin to teach you the other functions that are there. Now, why did you go to that place and buy that time that you want to use for test?
Because a packet of pencil.
Okay, and okay, packet of pencil. Okay, we are going to enter the packet of pencil. I will use it to teach you something. But let's look for another thing now. Okay, let's use the package of pencil to do it. Now click new.
But you don't have that one.
Yes, no problem. You click new. Yes. Now pencil. First of all, come down to the item detail, type the full name, the way it should appear.
It's nice that it's close to home. We can have everybody here. Maybe we can enjoy the whole process and be convenient. And the fact that it's like, I don't started in Chicago and the rest of the stuff and all the rest. Now it's sort of coming in circle. It's later. It's cool. Hey, yeah, that's so big.
With enter it.
HB pencil. Okay.
Yes.
Now it does not have make, because there will be different type of make of this HB pencil.
This year has been a very interesting year for me.
Now the make need to come in.
This time last year,
The make,
compared to where I am now,
no, is the HB the make?
You say?
Do they have a? Okay, you said I said the make is HB. I don't think there should be different product now that produce HB now.
No, it's only HB 2B. They make the differentiate it.
Hello,
I think a lot of that
Yes, sir.
is the HB the make?
as opposed to
No.
The HB can.
Type of pencil.
That's the type of pencil now. If the HB is type of pencil, but the make need to come in, because you may have another HB pencil that is another product that the price is more expensive than.
Yes.
That is why write the make.
If okay.
But his personal life has been even more internal. We all have roots. From our roots, our life's takes shape.
I've entered it.
So wait, this is the real name of this particular pencil. Now I want to tell you how to create the code. That is why I said go. So now you can choose to use this, either this as the code. Wait, I'm coming.
I'm really happy with what I'm doing right
You can choose to use this as the code.
now.
Okay.
Dad, something.
Then you can even as well reduce this one small, but make sure the first four letters that start the one down here are the same thing. That BAYM are the four letter. Make sure they are the same thing. The reason is this: when you are going to be selling the product, the only two things you only need to type the first three letter for it to call it out. When you are selling, you type the first three letter, you will call it out. So this is just a code, ordinary code. If it's the one that have barcode, when you scan it will automatically bring the product out. But if it's one that is not have the barcode, you just type BAY, enter. Anything that starts with BAY will appear, and you will see this one. You select it and sell. So this code is what the system use to separate the product inside the system. If you have different HB, you have to be changing that P differently so that it cannot look alike. Some people use number. They'll start from 1000, 1001, 1002, but you will find it difficult to find that product that numbers are there, because you will not carry those numbers in your head.
Yes.
You understand? So this one becomes the faster way. You get the point now?
Yes.
So now we click enter, enter, enter. then this quantity is a stock item. We click enter. Then we have to select the group. Now we don't have the pencil group because it's not our line. Let me just put it inside the water group again. Then I click enter. It takes me to the price. Then now you put the price of one piece. If they are selling one pieces, the least quantity you can, the least price you sell, it's what you are going to use and to make your one. If you are selling only packet, the price of that packet is what you are going to sell, put here. Meaning you don't sell less than a packet. But if you sell in pieces and at the same time you sell in packet, then you put the price of a pieces here. Now put the price of pieces. Okay, now because you have put the price of a pieces here, now the system understand the price they are selling pieces. But because you also bought a pack and they will always like to sell in pack, you can as well go straight to the bundle and put the packet, the bundle price. That means then the packet. How much is the packet? Now, how many pieces that make up the bundle? You need to tell the system how many pieces that is this bundle. Now, so this is what you have told the system. What you tell the system here is that is 50. But 50 times 20 is how much?
That's the 1,000.
No, it's not okay like this. There is no discount. If there is no discount, there is no need of bundle. The bundle is when, if you are buying the whole pack, you are not going to get it 900.
Okay.
That means there is a discount when you are buying the bundle.
Okay.
That is where, you know, 50 times 20 is how much?
50 times 20.
Yes.
That's the 1,000.
But when somebody buying complete bundle, you don't no longer sell it in one again. That is a discount.
Yes.
So now you are telling the system, if somebody is buying each pack is 900 and the quantity that is a pack is 20, it means that anytime customer want to buy, once somebody is buying one, the system will calculate it at 50. If you are buying 2, the system will calculate 50 times 2. If you are buying 10, the system will calculate 50 times 10. If you are buying 19, the system will calculate 50 times 19. But once you enter 20, the system will automatically put 900.
Okay.
Then when somebody buy 21, the system will say 900 is for 20. The single one you are adding extra is 50. So you are going to get 950 for 21.
Yes.
If you are buying anyone again, anyone you are buying after 20, they are pieces. They will be calculating it in pieces and pieces until you get to 40. It will automatically be 900 times 2.
Yes.
So this is the function of this place and this very one, and the quantity you are putting under here. If you make mistake in the quantity that make the pack, the system will also follow you and be making the mistake. because you must be able to tell the system the quantity that is this 900, and the system will be giving you the quantity that is the 900. Once that quantity is entered, it automatically gives you a round figure again. It's no longer doing calculation. The calculation will not be anyone that is not up to 20 become this price. Do you have any question? So this is how to create all the products. It means as your goods is coming in, this is where you are going to use to be creating all the product, entering all your product, and be fixing their selling prices. Then if you don't want to use this page to fix your prices, if you want to use a markup to give your prices, no issue. Just create your names here, then purchase page can handle that one.
Sir, there's a little question, sir.
Okay.
We saw a place trade after the retail. We saw trade, we saw wholesale, we saw reseller.
Okay, let me explain to you the function of all these three. Now, for me to use this reseller, wholesale, trade, it means I'm not going to use bundle on this product. Then the bundle, if you watch the draft, you will discover that bundle is standing alone.
Yeah.
Now these ones are like chain, they are one.
Yeah.
So for the bundle to function, this one will not be used, all these ones will not be used. Then for you to use this one, you have to disconnect with the bundle. You have to remove the quantity that is under here. Even if you put price, you may put price here, but it will not be functioning. This page does not function until there is a quantity down here. Even if this 900 is here and there is no quantity down here, it will not function. Until quantity come under, that is when it take effect. Because it's the quantity that is here that trigger it to go. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now, I'm back to this one. This is the function of all this one from here to here. This type is that when you try to use the particular one, which I don't think you may be using it much in your business, but this is the function. If somebody is buying one, a 50, let me say that if somebody is buying 6 pieces, the price change. Then I can now say when you are buying 6, I can come up here and say 47, 49 for people that are buying 6 pieces. Then I now come here and say 46. Okay, 47 for people that are buying from 12. Then we are setting up 45 for people that are buying from 24. Now here I'm no longer using this function anymore. That means this one is completely off now. What I am telling the system is here, when somebody is buying one, the price is 50. If you are buying 2, 50 times 2. If you are buying 3, 50 times 3. You don't need any quantity here. You will not put anything here. It will be like this. Any quantity you are buying to the quantity that is here, the price change. Meaning you can buy 50 times 5 is at 50. But once you pick from 6, the price will change to this price. It means that 60, when you are buying 6 times 49, then 6 times 40, continue. It will not be multiplying 7 at 49, 8 at 49, till 11 at 49. Then this one have changed it again. From 12, the price will not change. So 12 is 47, 15 47, 19 47, 22 47, 23, 47 times 23. That is what this page will be doing. Then once you pick 24, the price will change. Then this 24, because I don't have any other one that close it again, so any quantity from 24 up will be multiplied by 45. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand it?
Yes, I understood.
Now, the function of the bundle is a completely a different thing. And for this bundle to function in any product, because this particular product, you may use this configuration on this product, but another product you use a different configuration because it's product by product. How you configure this we are already configuring the pencil. So if you come into another one, we'll configure how that one will be. However you configure the product here is how it's going to be acting on sales. This is one of the functions of the software. So now there is another function again I'm going to explain to you. And that function is, I have all those prices. These prices are here, but I did not put quantity here. Now this particular one without quantity under here mean a different thing. Now if I save it without quantity here, it will no longer be automated. When you are creating your customer's name, you will choose on these prices that is here, the prices the person will be buying from. So during the time that's when you start doing loyalty or you are selling wholesale. If I save it like this, it means that when I am creating a particular customer name, I said that this person buy only on wholesale. Now any product that have a wholesale price, the system will automatically give that. Once your customer comes, select the customer's name because I created it already in the system. Once the customer comes and you begin to sell, the system will be giving that person the prices that is on the wholesale. So any product that does not have a wholesale price, the system will pick the retail price and replace it. So it is only the product you have a wholesale price on it that you will automatically take that wholesale price. The one that does not have a wholesale price, you will fix it with a retail price. Because you did not put number here to make it automated. If you put number under each of them, it will become automated. Is it very clear? Okay. Any more question? So that we can call it a day. I don't like training so many things at a go, because the more I train, the more the person will forget the past. So I like the one I pick up, I will analyze it until you're able to get every questions you need and understand that page very well. Then you need to practice it. You need to comment creating them, doing all those things. Trying to begin to create your product. With what I have explained to you now, you'll be able to conveniently create all your product, fixing your prices. Different fixing your prices. Then the cost price. Yeah, you are saying something.
The place is called this average cost quantity concerning purchase order.
Which one?
Under this last cost.
Okay, all this one.
Yes, sir.
No, all this one is going to be automated. As transactions are going, they will be reporting here.
Okay.
You are not inputting quantity from this page. When transactions begin to happen, so each product you bring up in this page, you'll be able to see the transactions that are going, their report, you will be seeing them here. When you go to history, you'll be seeing all the history of that product. Any page, if you go to equivalent, you will see them. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Details. No, we wanted that on the opposite side. We can see point value, tag, sales account, purchase account.
okay, you know, everything you need is on this page. This is where we configure the product, how the product will be acting on sales. So there are so many functions that it may not be useful for you. So it depends on your business. So because I can go ahead and begin to explain all the functions that he said to you. But me, I am looking at it. If I begin to go and begin to explain all of them, you will get to the point you will begin to get confused.
It's okay, sir. It's okay. I understood.
Now, if somebody want to be putting prices by markup one by one, you will be saying, okay, I need 20% markup. You put your 20% here. But before this 20% can work, it means that you already have the cost price first.
Okay.
But because the cost price is not yet there, so this one will not work. So what you are doing now is the pattern you are going to use. You can put in the selling prices, because these cost prices, we are going to enter them from your purchase, because you are having the invoices. When the goods start coming in, it's coming in, the invoices are there.
Okay.
These are where you create the list of the name. But the purchase of adding the quantity, remember, it passed through the purchase.
Okay.
You can as well from the purchase be creating the product and purchasing at the same time. But before you can be doing that from the purchase, you must understand the add and modify stock, because if you part of this particular add and modify stock, that will appear there. This page will appear there. This one will appear. Then the group will appear. Then the retail price will appear. The cost price will appear. That is the only thing that will appear. But if you want to be able to explain more things, you need to come to add and modify to arrange it very well, instead of doing it from the purchase page. The purchase page help you. Maybe you are entering so many products that you bring in. Along the line, you see about 2 or 3 products that you are entering that are new one that just coming. Instead of coming here to create it, you can as well do it from that page. But when everything you are creating the new, I always advise people to do it from this page, because this will enable you to arrange everything properly the way you want it. Thank you. Hope everything is clear. So I will send you the video too. The video is going to be 2 now, because when we have a network problem, I had to stop it. Then now and then commence again.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So you now schedule the time we are going to trade. The selling aspect of it is very simple. So that one does not need any. Take it just for 1 hour, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. You are done teaching how to sell. So the people that said it's not able, the major people that is needed, the inventory person, the person that's going to be in charge when goods is coming, the person will be the one entering into the system, is the most important person that need to be in the training.
Okay.
So while that person is here, the work will be going on. The person need to understand. You need to learn very well. You need to practice. You need to understand that is good. The person is hearing from me, so that the person can also ask questions. But how to sell it doesn't matter. It's not simple something, because the person will scan the product there will just appear, and the person will just sell. So I'm going to save this one now.
Okay.
So it's okay. So when we come tomorrow, we will purchase, and I will give you assignment as I'm going now. I want you to create 5 different products, and you are 2 there. You are going to create 5 different products. 3 is going to have barcode. 2 will not have barcode. Your second will also create 5 items. 2 will have barcode. 3 will have barcode, and the other one will not have barcode. 2 will not have barcode. That is the assignment I'm going to give you. So after you have created, that means we are going to have 10 items that will be created. Inside that 10 items, you are going to do 5, and your second is going to do 5, and inside them 3 is going to have barcode and 2 will not have barcode. So tomorrow you will be handling the purchase of those items you are going to create.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Okay.
You're welcome.
Do have a great day. Okay, bye.